Thank you for calling, Melissa. May I help you?
Hi, I was wondering if you had some nail polish.
Excuse me?
Do you have any nail polish?
This is Bellissima Italian Restaurant.
Anyway, because, like, my friend wanted nail polish on her food, which is, like, really weird, but, she wanted, like, a pizza with nail polish and raw fish and, like, this acne cream stuff. Do you have any of that?
Who is this?
This is Ashley.
Ashley who?
Dakota.
And what are you asking me?
My friend wants to order a pizza with, like, raw fish on it.
Raw fish?
Yep.
Like anchovies?
Yep.
What else on it?
And that's pretty much it.
And what's your name? Your name's Ashley Dakota?
Yep.
And phone number?
810
Uh-huh.
315
Okay.
9899.
And you want to order this for real?
Yep.
You want a small, medium, or large?
Large.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Hi, sweetie.
I hope that was Star 69.